In today's video, I'm going to teach you Kexart.com review legit or scam. If you've come across Kexart.com and you're wondering whether it's a real art website or some kind of scam, here's what you need to know in a clear and simple way. Kexart.com is primarily known as a viral Instagram prank and social experiment, not as a trustworthy online store for buying original artwork. At first glance, the website may appear to be a portfolio for a contemporary artist with a clean presentation designed to look artistic and professional. That polished appearance can make it seem legitimate, especially to someone visiting for the first time. However, the main thing people should understand is what happens when they interact with the site. In particular, when a visitor clicks the View Gallery button, the page is known to trigger a loud, unexpected sound or a flashing visual. This is not a normal gallery experience. Instead, it appears to be designed to shock, startle, or prank the viewer. That behavior is a major clue that the site is not functioning like a serious art portfolio or a standard online storefront. Because of that, Kexart.com should be viewed more as an internet prank or viral social media stunt than as a reliable place to browse or purchase art. The site has gained attention largely because people share reactions to the surprise effect, especially on social platforms. Notes, in other words, its popularity seems to come from the prank element, rather than from genuine credibility as an art business. If your main question is whether the site is legit, the safest answer is that it does not appear to be a legitimate storefront for original artwork in the way most people would expect. And if your question is whether it's a scam, it may be more accurate to describe it as misleading or deceptive in presentation, since it gives the impression of being an art gallery site while actually delivering